In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add a number counter widget to your project, setting those all-important start and end numbers, customizing the animation to suit your style, and finally, publishing your work for the world to see. Let's dive right in by discussing the process of adding a number counter widget. This widget is a fantastic tool if you're looking to dynamically display statistics, milestones, or any other numerical data on your website or app. First, access your project's dashboard and navigate to the widget section. Here, you typically have a variety of options to choose from, but today, we're focusing on the number counter. Click on it, and you'll see it appear on your screen. It's as easy as drag and drop, but keep in mind that placement can be key to ensuring visibility and impact, so consider where visitors will most likely engage with it. Now, with your number counter widget in place, it's time to set its parameters, beginning with the start and end numbers. This step is crucial because it defines the scope of data you want to show. In most cases, you want your start number to be 0, signifying the beginning of a count or measurement. However, you can customize it to represent a certain baseline or previous achievement. Next, set your end number to represent your goal or the climax of a counting sequence. This could be anything from total sales, attendees, or fundraising amounts. Remember, choosing realistic and meaningful numbers not only makes your data transparent, but also engaging. Once you've set your start and end points, let's bring a little personality to your counter with some animation. Customizing the animation boosts the visual appeal and captures the attention of your audience. Within the widget settings, you have the freedom to select from various animation styles, such as easing in or bouncing numbers that rise and fall with smooth transitions. Take a moment to experiment with the speed of the animation as well. A quick count might be appropriate for a small range of numbers, while a slower pace could be more effective for big announcements, building up suspense and excitement. Finally, once you have tailored every aspect of the widget to your satisfaction, it's time to publish your creation. Ensure you've reviewed your entire setup to avoid any typos or errors. Confirm that your counter is prominently displayed and functions as expected. Once satisfied, hit that publish button. Remember, after publishing, it's always a good idea to refresh your page and view it from the perspective of a visitor. This helps you confirm the widget's functionality and if it truly delivers your intended message. And there you have it, you've successfully added and customized a number counter widget. This tool is a simple yet powerful way to communicate